Hello guys, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam and in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on dark mode on the Outlook app. So first of all we wanna go to the Outlook app. Here it is. Going to open it and then we are searching for the settings. Here at the quick settings you can see the display and appearance, so we click on that and here you can change it to a dark theme, and you can even change the colors a little bit to give it your own style. So this is how you turn on the dark mode on the Outlook app. Display and appearances, you press on that and then you can change it. If you have any further questions about Outlook or something else, please let me know down below in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.